Today I want to talk about AI. Confession, those commercials with the AI actors freak me out. It makes me doubt myself, and I wonder how much harder will it become to tell what's real and what isn't. Scary. And then there are the issues of privacy and bias. Oh, I can't stand that stuff. But mostly I'm excited about AI, especially in my writing life. I really value efficiency, and AI is making me more efficient. So I wanted to share some of the ways I'm using AI. First and foremost, I'm using Grammarly to spot punctuation and grammar errors. I mean, it is awesome how it finds extra spaces and quotation marks that are turned the wrong way. If you want to deliver a clean manuscript, use Grammarly. Sometimes I'll ask it, just out of curiosity, to improve a sentence or passage, and I admit I am very good at ignoring many of its suggestions. But I'm curious. I really value my own voice. I want the words to be mine. Just because Grammarly doesn't like it, if it's incorrect, doesn't mean I'm wrong. I value my voice. I do find the weekly Grammarly email report cards very satisfying to read. You use 6,700 unique words, and that's more unique words than 97% of other Grammarly users. I love that. AI is great too for checking contracts. You can ask, show me any red flags in this document, and it will. It can also generate a contract template for you. Charles Waters and I did this recently for a contract we needed. So those are some really practical ways to use AI to your advantage. It also comes in handy when you're creating book proposals. How often have I agonized over finding comps for my proposed book? You can ask AI to do that for you. The key is to be very clear about tagging your own book when you ask AI your request. For instance, not just, what are some historical fiction middle grade novels? You need to type into AI, what are some historical fiction middle grade novels about survival published in the past 5 years? For which AI gave me The Civil War of Amos Abernathy, The Night Diary, and Refugee by Ellen Gratz. I've also used AI as a starting place for creating nonfiction text boxes to accompany poems about animals, people, or historical events. In addition to your requested topic, add the intended audience to your AI query. For instance, you might type, describe the Civil War to fourth grade readers in 3 sentences. The more specific you can be, the better. AI isn't always correct, of course, and you can't let AI make you lazy. You've got to double check everything. And we don't want this monotonous voice. We need our own unique voices. Remember what I said earlier about that feeling, the blur between what is real and what isn't? It's going to be there. But how are you using AI in your writing life? I've always said I need an assistant, and that's exactly what AI is, a helper. Thanks for listening, and happy writing.